So this is a little project boat I've been working on in my spare time. It's a Nautica 13.5 wide body. It's a 1998. I got the hull, well, it had a rib on it, but the rib was completely destroyed. But I got the hull and the whole boat for 800 bucks, and I've just gone completely through it. It's going to stay in the water, and this is going to be my new boat for, let's just call it my harbor tractor. This is going to be my boat for pushing around boats and taking clients to go see boats. So it's going to have bottom paint on it, and I still need to bottom paint the tube. We have an 866 Hyperlon tube from Alfred Montaner of YouTube. You can look him up. 4 JL audio speakers, battery charger, lithium battery, MSBB 100 stereo, Raymarine Axiom with all my engine data is going to come through here on this side. Upholstery should go in next week. It's super dirty because we've just been working on it non-stop. This is something interesting that I'll come back to. Bet you haven't seen one of those before. So something I did on this was this is the C-Zone Contact 6 Plus. So you have one NEMA wire, and then you have a fuse box back here. All your fuses are there, all your positives go to that, and that one NEMA wire is just going to control everything you're doing. So very cool thing. This is going to go away. We're going to end up with probably a GPS puck here, because the reason I went with the Axiom Plus is to fly the drone. So again, I'm a tall guy, and even with the seat, usually they put the throttles down here. I want them up on top and easy to use. So when I'm standing up, maneuvering, I'll have a good time with that. Circling back to the motor, this is one of those COVID-19, went on a government website via Instagram type things when I was bored. And all this actually happened because of this purchase here. So this is a 2016 Evinrude MFE 55. MFE stands for multi-fuel engine. This is an engine that would normally be on the back of a Zodiac and would be used by Marines or Navy SEALs in some of their missions when going ashore. It has no power trim or power tilt, although it does have an assist shock. And you have this strap that you unstrap and you can pull it forward. For my purposes, I added power start to it. I still need to get a rigging cable going on there. But interesting things here. So you can open these valves here, stroke the motor over, or in my case, you can crank it over. And if you've launched this motor from underwater, if the boat has broached, you're able to pump out the cylinders. So if this had a tiller handle on it, and you're in a submarine and you come out of a hatch, it'll come out the hatch, go to the surface, you stroke it over 8 to 20 times with these open, go ahead and close it, and then you can go ahead and start it and take off. So very cool motor. Got a 14 pitch prop on it that came with it. This came to me new in the box. Now the other interesting thing, the MFE, the way I have it here, this is for gasoline. If I push this in, then it'll run on any type of heavy fuel. So it's designed for JP4, JP8, Jet A, kerosene, diesel in an emergency, really, anything that'll burn, I'm pretty sure. So with this mean paint job, and apparently this paint is radar absorbent as well, but anyway, mean paint job. This is the perfect COVID kind of outboard, and really excited to get this in the water. All right, let's go ahead and give her a start. So you can see I have all my engine data there. It's supposed to be much quieter than a normal outboard. This case is definitely much larger than a normal Evinrude outboard.